Hello friends, welcome to a fresh new episode of our channel RG Innovations. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. If you have followed my previous videos, I have covered all the logic gates in those, and then I thought of concluding my logic gate series there. But then all on a sudden a thought came into my mind that why not build a all-in-one logic gate demonstration using an Arduino. So here I have built one all-in-one gate demonstrator using an Arduino Nano. This is the prototype that I have built. I have used very few components here. You can see one Arduino Nano is being used here, and I have used 7 LEDs to indicate different gates. This LED denotes the NOT gate, this LED denotes OR gate, this third LED denotes AND gate, this denotes NOR gate, this denotes NAND gate, this denote XOR gate, and this denote XNOR gate. Here I have used a potentiometer that is used to select these gates, and I have used two push to on switches which are used for giving the input of the gates, and these two LEDs are input status indicator to show the input whether the input is high or low, and this is the output status indicator. It will show the output status whether the output is high or low. I am not going into much details of the circuit diagram. I have already given that in the description. You can check the download link there. So not taking much of time, I am just going into the demonstration of the gates. Now I am powering this up. I am using the Arduino power to power up the entire circuit. So initially you see this LED is glowing, that means the NOT gate is selected, and NOT gate takes only one input, so we will use this input only. As the input is low, we can see the input is low, so the output is high. Now if we turn this switch on, the input will be high and the output will be low. So if we match this with the truth table, it is input 0, output 1, and input 1, output is 0. Now we will turn this potentiometer, and when we turn this potentiometer, this will select the gates here. You can see we are turning the potentiometer and this select the gates. So now we will select the OR gate. So now the OR gate is selected. Let us match with the truth table. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 1. So it satisfies the truth table of an OR gate. Now we are turning the potentiometer again and selecting the AND gate. Now the AND gate is selected and we will match it with the truth table of an AND gate. So for AND gate, 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. So it satisfies the truth table of an AND gate. Now we are turning both the inputs low again and rotate the potentiometer to select the NOR gate. NOR gate is exactly the opposite of an OR gate. Let's match it with the truth table. 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 0. So we could see it matches the truth table of a NOR gate. Now again turning both the inputs low and rotating the potentiometer to select the NAND gate. In case of a NAND gate, we match it with the truth table and check. 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 0. So it matches the truth table of a NAND gate. Now we are turning to XOR gate. Both the inputs are low now, so output is low now, and let's match it with the truth table of an XOR gate. The output of an XOR gate is high only when either of the input is high. So now 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 0. So this is the output of an XOR gate. Now we will turn the potentiometer again and make it a XNOR gate. So turn both the inputs to low, and XNOR gate is also the exact opposite of a XOR gate. So the output will be low when either of the input is high. Let's match it with the truth table. 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, and 1 1 is 1. So this is the output of a XNOR gate. So in a single device, we can see and check all the gates and their output. This is very simple to build. I have given the Arduino sketch and the circuit diagram in the description box. You can check it out there. And if you have any confusion, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. With this video, I conclude the Logic Gate series videos here. And I will meet with you all again with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time. Thank you.